Okay guys, in this video we are going to be taking a look at creating our navigation. So we created a couple of pages in some previous videos which we're going to use, and we're going to use some other things as well. So the navigation we're focusing on is going to be this up here, which is our main menu. You can create different menus and different navigations. For instance, there's one at the footer down here as well, which we'll look at in a later video. So first of all, yours should look by default, I think it has home and catalog in. Okay, so I put these in so it should look just like yours. If for any reason it doesn't, I'm going to show you what to do anyway, just in case yours looks different. So first of all, come to online store and then navigation. Now, like I say, yours should look pretty much like this. If for any reason you don't have main menu, then just go ahead and click add menu and then call this main menu and then go through the process as I'm going to show you with the menu we've already got there. So just click add item like that, which we'll look at right now. Okay, if you do have main menu, click main menu here. That takes us into the settings. These may look slightly different. I'm going to remove these. So if if yours looks different, if you want to get rid of them, just hit that delete and then click add menu. So we'll put the home one in first like this. Put your cursor in where it says link, and then we should have home page up there. So there's our home one. Cursor in again, catalog. Okay, for catalog I would just go with choose collections. Okay, we're going to make a sub menu as well, all collections. So let's just go run through that again. Put your cursor in, choose collections and all collections and click add. Okay, that should be how your structure already is, but if it isn't, then just roll with that. So now we're going to make a sub menu under this catalog. So a sub menu is where you have a drop down under there. So first of all, we're going to go add menu item. This time I'm not going to give it a name. I'm going to just put my cursor straight in where it says link. I'm going to go collections, and then I'm going to look down here. We've got home and kitchen. Okay, you see it populates the name for me already. Then I'm going to go add. Then I'm going to grab another one. Cursor in there, collections, home and kitchen, jewelry, add the next one, cursor straight in there, collections, phone accessories, add, next one down here, collections, and phone accessories. Page. Let me see how many we got there. Is that all of it? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So what we can do now, any of these items we can drag up and down to reorder them. And if we come in a little bit, you see that there's that little blue dot. It comes in. So this home and kitchen is now nestled under this catalog here. So we're going to do the same with jewelry. We're going to drag this up and add that there. And then for phone cases, we're going to add that there. So what I'm going to do is hit save, just so we can go and have a quick look at it to see where we're at. So I'm going to refresh this page. So now when we hit catalog, we have this drop down menu here. So we can go home and kitchen, and it looks like there's nothing created in the home and kitchen just yet. Okay, and phone accessories like this. Now what we can also do is drill down a little bit deeper. So we can add another one, and I've forgotten what that was now, home and kitchen. So that would be the cutting boards, could go under home and kitchen, and this is like a sub menu. So let's just drag this up again, move that little dot in like that. Let's see what else we got on this store. Let's go collections. Coffee mugs would go under there. See if we got anything else. Collections. Two birds watches. Nope, that looks like that's it. So let's hit save. Let's go and have a look, see what this one looks like. Okay, let's refresh our page. So now under catalog, we've got home and kitchen, and then we've got cutting boards, or we got home and kitchen, we got coffee mugs. Okay, so that's how you can create your catalog menu. You can also minimize it here if you want to, just to keep things tidy and clean. Next one we're going to add is our order tracking. So let's click add create menu item. This time I'm going to give it a name first, order tracking. And then I'm going to put my cursor in, and I'm going to go to pages, and I'm going to find this order lookup page. Okay, this was the page that our order lookup made. Now, if you actually created it, depending on which way you're doing it, if we go to pages, I created the order tracking page there as well. So if you manually created your page and you're doing it without the app, you would pick the page you made. If you're using the app and you want to use the page they made, then it's order lookup. Hit add, that's in there now. The next one we're going to do is contact us. Okay, so we'll name it first. We'll put our cursor in here. We'll choose pages. We'll find our contact us page. Hit add. Now the next thing we're going to do, again, optional. If you do have a telephone number, then what we're going to do is we're going to add a menu item, and we're going to just put our number in like this. Okay, and then we're going to link this to our contact us page. So if they click it, it takes us to the contact us page where everything is. And also by having this in our menu, people see your phone number, so it builds a lot of trust and it really helps you as well. So let's hit save. Let's go and have a look and see what this menu is looking like now. Hit refresh. So you can see we've got this nice looking navigation now, neat and tidy. Let's go back to our home page first, take a look. So we got contact us, takes us to our contact us page, and if they click the phone number, let's go to order tracking. If they click the phone number, it also takes us to contact us. So we have that in twice, just so that phone number really reinforces the trust. We got our order tracking, we got our catalog with our drop down menu, and then we've got our sub menus under there where we can drill down a little bit deeper. So to save you watching me going through everything on the menu, what I'm going to do is when I finish this video, I'm going to add everything to the menu and organize it. If you want to copy our menu, then you can just go ahead and copy that menu and do it exactly the way I've done it. Okay, thanks guys, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.